Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set Android 17 latest AOD and clock on your Samsung Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first download these both apps on your Galaxy device. These apps download link available on description. Before start, simply go to setting and disable your system AOD. Look at this and disable your system clock like this. Select adapt to clock font and set this clock thin and go to colors and select complete low transparency. Simply tap on done. Look at this system clock disable. Tap on done. Now first open this app, select some permissions, now go to AOD. After go to AOD, guys, look at this Android 17 latest clock, digital and analog, both clocks available on this app. Simply select any one. First, let me show you digital clock. Simply tap on apply, go back, go to setting and go to always on display and make sure always on display is turned on. Now look at this Android 17 latest digital AOD clock enable on your Galaxy device. Now let me show you how to enable this same AOD clock on lock screen. Simply open second app and these same clocks available on this app. Now go to lock screen. Simply tap and hold. And guys, remember, before edit lock screen, first install Good Lock and update all Good Lock modules, include Lockstar. After update all Good Lock modules, edit lock screen and simply tap on Lockstar, tap on add widgets and open this app and select 2x2 size. Tap on add widget, tap on done and tap on choose widget and simply go to unlock your device. Simply open this app and choose clock. Look at this and simply select this widget. Tap on select this widget. Now again go to lock screen and look at this clock enable on your lock screen. Simply increase size, set size like this. And guys, look at this latest Android 17 clock enable on your lock screen. Both AOD and clock enable on your Galaxy device. Now let me show you analog clock. Simply go to AOD, go back, go to AOD and select this analog clock and apply. Now look at this latest Android 17 AOD analog clock enable on your Galaxy device. Now let me show you how to set this analog clock on lock screen. Simply delete this clock, tap on Lockstar, add widget and select this 2x2 widget. Simply tap on choose widget, unlock your device and select this same clock. Look at this, tap on select widget And guys, look at these. First, increase size. Now, latest Android 17 analog clock also enable on lock screen. Look at these. So guys, you also enable this latest Android 17 analog and digital clock screen clock and AOD on your Galaxy device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.